Okay, so this MG has been involved in a few workshop updates and things, so it's been in the workshop a little while. Had a little bit of a hang up on the exhaust system. You can see we've now got our stainless steel exhaust system on here. The customer had supplied us with some stainless steel headers. Unfortunately, the rest of his system wasn't really up to the job anymore, and it seems nobody could actually supply a system that would match the headers that he'd bought because the headers were purchased individually. The customer was sort of unable to have us build a complete stainless system here and bought this one, which we've then modified to suit. So that's all now on. Some hangers and things we were just waiting for have just turned up for it, so they'll be installed. But soon, very, very soon, we'll get V8 burbles out of the end of the pipe here. Moving on as well, we've got our Classic Range Rover back on the ramp. We've just connected up all the brake lines and all the ABS wiring. Still haven't actually got the ABS pump to run up, but we're working on that. Sure we won't be beaten. So this is coming along nicely. Obviously one of our projects, we don't get as much time as we'd like to apply to it because we're busy with customers' work and engines to build. Moving on, the last little section of this video is sales cars, which isn't something we often talk about, so let's pop outside and have a look.
Out there somewhere.
Okay, so we've got this RPi Range Rover that we mentioned before. We've just put one of our 4.6 engines into it. So it's got a fresh RPi Engineering build 4.6 with a Piper Torque Max camshaft. It's already LPG converted. And I think from memory it's a Zavoli ECU, which we fitted OMVL injectors to a while back because the Zavoli injectors had failed and were causing misfire. Magna Core leads, obviously. The ECU has also been remapped. So an actual autobiography spec P38 Range Rover. And we will be doing a sales advert for this very soon. Probably a little drive out in it as well for a video. And I need something to drive because the Discovery that I've been driving around for the last few months is sold as well. So the customer is actually now on his way to pick this up. It's got one of our 4-litre build engines in, an RPi gas conversion. We've just been over it, as you've seen on our Facebook page, through all the mechanical side underneath, changing the gearbox oil and filter, checking all the bushes and ball joints, changing brake pads and things. So yeah, hopefully the new owner will be as equally pleased as we were how this turned out. And I forget where he's coming from, but he's on the train as we speak.
Leeds,
is he?
Leeds.
There we go. So this will be heading around the Leeds area.
Unless I got that wrong, and then it's not Leeds.
Then it's not Leeds.
No, it's somewhere else.
It might lead to somewhere else. So yeah, I will be jumping in this autobiography and doing our sales bits on this soon. We are tempted to try and find another rear bumper for it because, as you can see, somebody has got happy with some checker plate, probably covering up a ding, I would imagine. But yeah, we're going to see if we can find another rear bumper and have it painted just to finish this car off.